my creatives, and welcome to another video. So for this video I have a little introduction because it has a very cool story behind it. This is a video, it's also quite old. It got a bit lost in all of my backup videos. But I will tell you the little story because this was my very first custom made card for someone else, for Heidi. So Heidi, here it is, finally, the process video for your card. It was so cool. So how this came to a stand, Heidi is a subscriber of mine and she's been for a very long time, and she watches all my videos and always comments, and we are having a very good relationship and so much fun, and I'm glad to call her my friend. And she saw last year that I became an auntie, and I made my sister-in-law and her husband a card for the welcoming of the little guy. And she loved it so much, and she also had a relative that was getting a baby. So she asked me if I could custom make her a baby card because she loved it so much. So I was so honored, and it was amazing. And thank you so much, Heidi, for asking me to do that. I remember that I had tons of fun, also a lot of pressure because I wanted to make it perfect, because it was not for myself. But yeah, it was amazing. So I made this card for Heidi, custom. Yeah, it was what she wanted. So I made it a little bit different than the card that I made for my family, of course, because I don't like to make the same project twice. I do when it's a series, but I wanted to make it a little bit different for her. But I did use the same supplies because she loved it so much. So that is what this card is about. I can't really tell you much about the process. I also think it speaks for itself, the process. So yeah, just keep on watching and you will see the beautiful end result, because I'm so happy with how this card turned out. I wish I could do more custom cards or art, or I would love to do that in the future, but with school and stuff I just can't do that right now. But I would love to do that in the future, and if it is something you would like me to do, I would love to hear that, and I will take it into my future plans, because I have tons and tons of future plans for this channel and other stuff to make it more professional. And like I want to have my own business later on, and I want to do all the things. But yeah, I don't really have the time now to set it off the ground because I am getting my degree. So I do a little things, on the side, but my main focus is on the degree. So it was really, really cool that Heidi asked me to make this card, and I had a lot of fun. And so thank you so much, Heidi, for all your faith in me that I would make something pretty. And yeah, that was my little story to start this video off. I don't really have much more to talk about, so I will leave you here. And if you like this video, please leave me a like. I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you all next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!